feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce.
Sedikit. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bersama Tony Penerokan Channel. Pagi ini hunting pasca hujan di tanggal 15 April 2023. Oke, untuk semua teman-teman yang menonton video ini, semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat, dan ada pun yang sakit, semoga penyakitnya segera diangkat oleh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala dan diberikan kesembuhan. Amin. Pagi ini kita hunting seperti biasa di kilometer 45. Nah, di sini ada air yang menyeberang di jalan nih, teman-teman. Nanti kalau ada mobil bus atau mobil-mobil yang lewat nih, wah, ini bisa nyiprat ya. Oke, kita pantengin terus, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Terima kasih. Nah, ada satu unit ANS jam 7:37. Puncak Lantia. Woi, jos, mantap. Woi, keren. ANS Puncak Lantia menuju Sumbar. Semoga selamat sampai tujuan. Amin. Kita saksikan teriosnya dulu. Woi, jos, mantap. Itu dia satu unit ANS. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my wush, jos. Mantap. Jam 7:43. Tampaknya ada bus di belakang truk ini, teman-teman. All the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me. And the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my mommy show. I've got these things that I can't. Satu unit Maun 12. Ancang-ancang untuk overtake. Wah, 2 unit, teman-teman. Nopin 55 dan Nopin 53. Cukup ramai lintas Pacu Penerokan pagi ini.
745 1 unit NPM. Woi, mantap, overtake truk Hino. Mantap. B78 Sultan Class. Satu unit ANS Johnny Walker. Dadah. Jam 8:59 1 unit MPM. Satu unit Mutia Putri Mulia bocah leboy. MPM lagi nih teman-teman. Ada 2 unit MPM. Kota Budaya dan 1 unit MPM SR2 teman-teman, mantap. Jam 9:04. Woi, masih ada 1 unit NPM menyusul. Ada 2 teman-teman, mantap. Susul lagi belakangnya NPM B01. Semoga semuanya diberikan keselamatan sampai tujuan, amin. ANS Bintang Bollywood jam 9:07. Belakangnya ada 1 unit lagi ANS. Overtake teman-teman. ANS Permata. Palala 1 unit bersama di belakangnya transport sepertinya teman-teman. No, Dubai Transport Express. Mantap. Jos menuju Ranah Minang. Semoga selamat sampai tujuan. Unit ke-5 MPM anak muda.